Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Father's Day card. Let's get started. These are the materials you'll need to make your card. You'll need 2 pieces of paper, one a square and one a rectangle. You will also need a pencil, an eraser, some scissors, a ruler, and this is optional, but you can also use some washi tape or markers to decorate. Now I'm going to fold my paper in half. Once I've done that, I'm going to cut 2 little slits on each side. Now I'm going to open my card and take my scissors and cut right through the middle of those 2 slits. Now I'm just going to cut that piece entirely off by cutting right through the middle. Now I'm going to close the card and take these 2 flaps and fold them right down. As you can see, it looks like the shape of a collar. Now I'm going to glue down the collar. To make the tie, I'm going to fold in this flap into the center of the square. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Now I'm going to fold it again. Now I'm going to fold the tip. Like that. Now I'm going to glue the tie onto the shirt. Now I'm going to decorate my tie. I'm going to draw stripes on it, and I'm going to also use my washi tape to decorate the tie. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.